How to invest in stocks for beginners with little money. Indian stock market is getting hot these days with so many investors from other countries showing interest in Indian market. With the recent recession, the number of traders who invest money in share market has considerably increased. As you all know, any share market trading is always associated with so many risks since the market is very much volatile. But you also have to accept the fact that it is one among the easy ways to make more money in a short period of time. If you are a kind of person who is looking out for an option to make more money with little investment, then stock market trading would be best way. There are so many options like futures, commodities and so on are being available apart from the regular share trading using which you could make easy money. But if you would like to make more profit out of the Indian stock market, then you should be good enough with the knowledge about share trading as well as the various factors which are influencing the volatile nature of the market. You should do a lot of homework in order to get to know the in and out of the share market if at all you would like to make more money out of this share trading. Getting to know these things in case of Indian stock market is very easy because of the transparency of the market. There are so many online resources which you could use to get to know more information about the Indian stock market and its functioning. You should be good in all the basics of share trading and how the market operates so as to play safe in this business. So do spend some time in getting to know more information about the stock exchange before actually kick-starting with share trading and earn more money through Indian stock market.